I'm Jay-Z.
I'm Daniel.
This is Just My DIY.
Anytime you bring home a new piece of crafting equipment for your home crafting office, you may soon discover that you need to get more equipment to support your equipment.
And that's especially true when you get something like a Glowforge. So in this video, we're going to show you not just the first 5 things that we purchased, but the first 5 things we're really glad we bought now that we've had the Glowforge for about 8 months.
This is anything to support its functionality to safety, and we're going to go ahead and get started.
The first thing you're going to need when you get a Glowforge is something to put it on, and that's where this amazing Husky cart comes in. It is just the right size and gives us a sturdy, level surface to work on.
But not only is it mobile and sturdy, it has great storage. All of our Glowforge supplies and crafting materials get stored in here, and you can see there's just room for everything.
Those shallow drawers are great for the flat materials, deep drawers in the cabinet great for everything else. And since we have a Pro, we wanted this to be mobile so we could access the pass-through slot.
And that brings in the second Husky cart, an adjustable height mobile table.
This is our primary table in the craft room, but it's especially good for the Glowforge because we can actually get it to the height of that pass-through slot so we can support our longer materials so they don't bow or do anything weird while we're lasering. As you can see, it gets nice and tall, and then wham, slide your material right in.
Well, don't wham, like, you know, gentle. It's just a precious machine.
Yes.
So we also have an inline fan system.
Because if you know anything about the Glowforge, you know that
it's loud. So this is what our setup looks like. And if you want to know more about it, we can also make another video. Just write it out in the description for us.
But you can see for a quick overview that we went from the 4-inch to the 6-inch hose. And another thing that was really important to us is that this also be mobile. And so we put it on this rolly cart. We'll link everything down in the description. And of course, we built a nice custom window insert because those winter months.
So here it is, using it without that brand new inline fan. What?
It's running like almost to 80 decibels, which is pretty high.
And now we use an inline fan instead of the onboard fan.
And it's running approximately 10 decibels lower. This is so much quieter and a better tone.
So now we go to masking. Now there's the sand it community and there's the mask it community. We are maskers.
Absolutely. And this is a great masking that we found on Amazon. It works and sticks to so many different materials. We've used it on wood, MDFs, whiteboards, blackboards,
leather, acrylics,
everything.
Yeah. So what this does is it actually takes on the burn marks for us so that when we peel the masking off, we don't have to sand anything.
Which is so nice.
So nice.
Very nice.
Nice. Look, it's nice.
Yay! Okay, now of course, you need to be cleaning your Glowforge. What we clean more often than anything are the cameras and lenses. And we use these lens cleaning wipes to do that.
Now, of course, you're going to see us quickly go over the lenses of the machine. So we're going to pull one out, we're going to crack it open. It's going to unfold into a pretty decent little size sheet. And then we're going to go after the top lens.
The camera.
We're going to go after the side lens.
The mirrors.
We're going to go after the bottom piece of glass.
That's actually the lens.
And of course, anything. And know that like these are great for any crafting room. You can use them to clean anything from your glasses to any camera works or anything that you have that is glass-like surfaced.
And last and certainly not least is fire protection. Now, we encourage you to do your own research. This is what our research led us to. I mean, you're working with a laser, so you need to have some fire stuff around. We start with
a fire blanket. This is actually a smothering technique and our first go-to line of defense.
Because if anything, we want to avoid putting liquids inside the Glowforge, so we can try to salvage as much as possible if we have a fire, which is also why we got this special fire extinguisher. It's a little more expensive than a traditional one, but it's called a halotron fire extinguisher. It's actually kind of designed for electronics. So there you go, the first 5 things we purchased for the Glowforge that we reach for time and again.
Except for the fire stuff. We don't reach for it that often.
But we're glad that we have the fire stuff.
We also have
a referral link for you. So if you're in the market for a Glowforge, you can get up to $500 off your purchase by using our link. That'll also give us a little something in return. That link is down in the description.
If you have a favorite support item for your Glowforge, feel free to tell us about it in the comment line. Of course, if you like the video, click the thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, and know that everything that we have presented here is also listed out in the description.
Also in the description are links to all of our social handles. Please connect with us across platforms. We love hearing from you. And don't forget to check out our blog at justmydiy.com. Thanks for watching.